In today's video, we're diving into Midjourney, a powerful tool that can generate unique image prompts based on your uploaded images. So let's get started. Here's the image we'll be working with today, a vibrant cartoon pug. We'll use Midjourney to generate prompts and then show you the results. You won't want to miss this. To get started, make sure you're a registered Midjourney user and signed into your Discord account. Once you're in, type in /describe to open the input window. Now simply drag and drop your image into the window. You'll see that Midjourney has recognized the image in the text box. Hit enter and let the magic begin. In just a few seconds, Midjourney has analyzed the image and provided 4 different potential prompts for recreating this artwork. Each prompt has a corresponding number below the original image. To generate a new image based on a prompt, just click the prompt's number. A familiar box will appear for Midjourney users who have used the variation buttons before. Here you can tweak the prompt or add any parameters you'd like. For this demo, I'll add an aspect ratio, and voila! Within minutes, you can create an array of new images based on the original artwork. The possibilities are truly endless, so what do you think? Is this the end of traditional prompt crafting, or just another tool in our ever-expanding digital toolkit? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for taking time out of your busy day to watch this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you found this video useful, informative, or entertaining, please give it a like or share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join our creative community. Until next time, keep making the things that make you happy.